Hi everyone, and welcome to Module 5, Communication Changes and Dementia-Related Behavior. In this lesson, we'll explore how communication evolves throughout the stages of dementia, and how behaviors often serve as another form of communication. Let's start with communication. In the early stages of Alzheimer's or other dementias, a person can still have normal conversations but may repeat themselves or have trouble finding words. In the middle stages, sentences become shorter, responses slower, and sometimes the person might even switch back to their native language. By the late stages, communication often happens through gestures, facial expressions, and sounds, but remember, communication never stops. It is our job to adapt our approach to match their abilities. Here are a few person-centered communication tips that always help. Speak directly to the person. Never talk over them. Use a calm voice, simple language, and gentle eye contact. Be patient and give extra time for them to respond. Avoid interrupting, correcting, or arguing. And most importantly, respect their reality. If they believe something that is not true, it is okay to step into their world instead of forcing them into ours. Now, let us talk about dementia-related behaviors. These behaviors, like agitation, pacing, or refusal, are not acts of defiance. They are messages. They tell us that something is wrong or that a need is not being met. Maybe the person is uncomfortable, scared, hungry, or overwhelmed. We can better understand these behaviors by recognizing four main types of triggers. Physical, such as pain, hunger, thirst, or fatigue. Social, like too many visitors or stressful interactions. Environmental, bright lights, loud noises, or a crowded space. Internal, feelings like fear, sadness, or even hallucinations. When a challenging behavior happens, use the 4-step response method. Step 1, detect and connect. Pause and see the situation through their eyes. What are they trying to tell you? Step 2, address physical needs. Could they be hungry, tired, or in pain? Step 3, support emotional needs. Focus on their feelings, not the facts. Validate and comfort them. Step 4, reassess and plan. Once the situation is calm, share what worked with your care team so everyone learns from it. Non-medication approaches like music therapy, reminiscence, aromatherapy, gentle touch, or pet therapy can also help reduce distress and promote emotional well-being. Each person responds differently, so always personalize your approach. And share it with coworkers and families for consistency. Here's a quick scenario. John left his own birthday party early because he seemed overwhelmed by the noise. Instead of insisting that he come back, you calmly validate his feelings, reduce the stimulation, and talk with his son to understand what might comfort him. You are joining John's world, not fighting against it. That is person-centered care in action. In summary, communication is always possible, no matter the stage of dementia. Behaviors are messages, not problems. When we listen with patience, empathy, and understanding, we can respond in ways that truly comfort and support the person in our care. Thank you for being that calm, compassionate connection that makes every difference. See you in Module 6, promoting dignity, comfort, and emotional well-being.